Join us for one of our workshops to become a Weave Buddy specialist. Visit weavebuddy.com.
Seeing how flawless the hair was laying on the sides and the edges, and there weren't any holes, and and it was giving coverage where there was nothing, then I was like, okay, I have to take a class.
For me, pictures speak 1,000 words. So when I seen the flyer, I knew that it was something that I needed to learn.
There's so many people right now that really need this that are coming in the salon, and now I have a solution.
I love the class and I learned a lot.
I think the class is fantastic. Being someone that does a lot of extensions, finding the best way to get the extensions on and not cause any type of hair loss is like always the best thing you can do.
I think it's very great for the edges and any tension that the clients have.
The Weave Buddy is the way to go to protect and preserve your client's hair.
Why didn't you create it sooner?